Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. So on today's vlog, I'm going to be taking pictures of this little cutie right here that I'm taking care of today. My nephew, you guys already know, you guys saw the other video that my sister had a baby, and I remember taking Claire's newborn pictures. So I'm going to take Sebastian's, that's his name. I noticed that I didn't share his name in the last vlog. His name is Sebastian, and I'm going to be taking his newborn pictures today, so I'm excited. And I want to show you guys how I do it in case you want to take your newborn's pictures or, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, right now we're just babysitting because my sister went to go get like some things for his pictures where she wants to put them like in a basket and stuff. So look how cute he looks. He's just asleep peacefully. He can sleep literally all day. He is such a good baby. He's like the best baby ever. Like even Claire, he's just like Claire. When Claire was a baby, all she would do is sleep. She was such a good baby. And Sebastian is such a good baby. We have got luck with having good babies because this little boy can sleep for like a long time. He's getting up from his little nap. He's ready to eat again. And he was smiling a lot right now. I want to see if I catch him smiling. Sebastian, are you ready to eat again? Where's your mama at? Tell her, Mama, I'm hungry. You better not poop, Sebastian, because I don't like cleaning your poopy diapers. You need to wait for your mommy, okay? Oh, my little baby. Oh, my little baby. Oh, those little eyes that I love so much. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. And those cheeks. You're a little man with big cheeks. Little man with big cheeks. Yeah, you are, huh? You're a little man with big cheeks. Oh, you're still sleepy. You're still sleepy. Yes, you are. Oh, those little stretches. I wish I could stretch like this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. I wish I can sleep like you. I wish I can stretch like you. Everything. Are you hungry, papas? Are you hungry? You are. You're about to eat your fingers. You gonna eat your fingers? Huh? Why are you gonna eat your fingers? Huh? That's not a bottle. Alright, so right here, I just have like a little backboard that I already had. I mean, I could have used the wood floor, but I just rather have the backboard. A basket, hopefully he fits in here. He is a little guy, so this is all we had. And then I put this inside so that way like he doesn't hurt his back in there. And he's nice and comfy. Now I'm gonna add the blanket my sister got and we're gonna wrap him in there. Alright, now we're gonna put the baby in the basket. His mama is. Let's see if he fits. We think he's little, but let's squish him in there, kind of like. There you go. Make sure, let me see, pull this more up. I don't want to hurt his little head. There you go. Just like that. We found inspiration from Pinterest. It is what we're trying to attempt right here. So I'm gonna wrap the blanket in his little legs. His hands don't have to be the same as a baby. But they crossed his legs. He's gonna be like, what are you doing to me? Ay, qué precioso, mi amor. Qué chulo está. Alright, so you can use like a regular professional camera or your phone as long as you have good lighting. You want to go there, so always make sure to be in front of a window. That way you have like that perfect natural light. And I'm gonna move away from the light. So I'm gonna do it this way.
No shadow.
As you guys can see, I'm more on the edge because I want the sun to hit him. Because if I'm standing here, he's all shadowy. Him. So you want to stand on the edge and try to snap. Unless you got good lighting, then you don't have to worry about this.
Knocked out.
Here's another inspiration I got from Pinterest, and we're gonna try to recreate this one. So we're gonna use the same basket, and I'm just going to place like this regular white blanket that my daughter had. course, if you need another blanket, you can always buy the color you want. Yeah, it's a blanket. No, it's a blanket.
Thank you.
Yes, you can. It's cool. Right at Hobby Lobby. Alright guys, so that is how I take pictures of babies. Well, I don't even take pictures of babies. The only picture I took was Claire's and now my little nephew's pictures. But I always used to like taking pictures of Claire because one, I was not going to pay hundreds of dollars for someone to just come take a little picture of my newborn baby that's so easy to take of, and I just always like to take my own pictures. So I just taught myself how to do it, and I always get inspiration from Pinterest. And I'm going to show you guys real quick the app that I like to edit on. But of course, if you're already, nowadays everybody edits their photos, so whatever you're comfortable with editing, use that app. But the one I really like to edit pictures with is called Snapseed. It is right there. That's the one I like to use to edit photos when I want to make them look professional. I could even like blur things out that I don't want from the picture. So here is how my photo came out, and it came out so beautiful. So yeah guys, if you guys don't know of an app to edit pictures, I definitely recommend Snapseed. Snapseed is so easy to use. And also another tip, feed them before you're gonna take the picture, like right away. That way they can take a good nap, and they're like milk drunk, so they're not gonna move, they're not gonna fuzz. And always make sure to do them right when they're newborn. Like, he's a week old, so make sure to do them before you pass a month, because the first month all they do is sleep, eat, and sleep, and they literally like knock out. So don't go over a month without taking their newborn pictures. So that's another thing I recommend. I remember doing the same thing with Claire. We took her some cute pictures. But yeah, those are the pictures we took of her. The house is so noisy right now. But yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a little different. I thought I would kind of show you guys where I get my ideas. What do you want, this? I thought I would just show you guys my ideas, because you guys are always asking me like how I edit stuff or how I do stuff. And you don't have a professional camera. Like, nowadays phones take really good pictures as long as you're standing in a good lighting, and that's all that matters. Lighting is what matters. So if you don't have this, just take it with your phone. Trust me, it's still gonna look good. When Claire was little, I used to take pictures of her like every day with her outfits, and I would just do them for my phone, and people would be like, what do you do it for my phone? It's always your phone, good lighting, and editing that makes the picture really good. So nowadays you don't even need a DSLR or anything like that. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna try to take this of your baby, or if you got some good ideas on this video. Let me know down below. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.